Okay, welcome to the Gallucci Learning Garden in downtown. This is Janice, a gardener, Deb, a gardener, Ben,
Hi everyone.
Mount Tacoma plant science teacher. So let's take a look at the garden. Herbs.
Rosemary. Too bad you can't smell it. Oh, good. I'm going to plant this water this dry plant over here. It's an osio called Angel's Wings, but it's very dry. I'm going to give it a good long drink of water here.
We are located at 14th and G Street in downtown Tacoma. We meet every Saturday morning. We have fennel, kale, squash, green beans,
Apples, pears,
apples.
blueberries, all kinds of tomatoes.
Right, show us the tomatoes, Deb.
Look at these great big tomatoes.
Amazing. And we have squash in front.
And little yellow squash. And the pumpkins are up there. There's some good sized ones.
Oh, pumpkins, more tomatoes over here. It is August, the end of August 2020. Oh, beautiful. And now for a view of the garden from up on the terrace with our plaza and our downtown location. Come join us, be part of our community.